how to create Telegram with email. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Visnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can create Telegram with email, or how you can open up Telegram account with email. Let's dive straight into the video. Once you have installed Telegram, or if you have already, then you can open up Telegram and simply tap on start messaging, and you can see you'll be on the login page where it'll ask you to enter in your phone number. Now unfortunately, you can see on the screen there is nowhere the option for alternate login using your Gmail or to enter in your email or Gmail itself. Telegram uses phone number in order to verify the account or the user itself, so the only way to access Telegram is to access it through the phone number. You will need the phone number to either sign up or sign in to your account. Now if you don't have a phone number, if you don't want to use it, then what you can do is you can head over to your browser and search in for free number for OTP, and this way you'll get these various links where you'll be able to get simply head into it and you'll be able to get the phone number there, and you can enter in the country code and phone number of any country that you wish to choose and see if it hasn't yet been signed up. Then you can get the code from the website itself and log in and access to the account, to the Telegram. Now once you have done so, in order to secure your account, you can simply add in two-step verification, that is your Gmail, and that way only you will be able to access your account. This is the way that you can create Telegram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.